Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Universe Samm. Internet Protocol, or an IP, is basically a series of numbers that lets your device to communicate over the networks. In this video, I will explain 3 quick ways through which you can find the IP address of your laptop. So let's get started. Method number 1 is the quickest and the simplest one. Click on this icon here, the Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right side. You will find the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Click on Properties. This window opens. Go down, and here you will find your IP address. This is your IP address, IPv4 address. Second method. Click on this Windows search button and type Control Panel. Go to Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. And now click on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and click on View Status of this connection. Details, and there you go. You will find the same IP address that you found in the previous method. Third method, through command prompt. So go to Windows search button again, type CMD. This will take you to command prompt and type in ipconfig /all, and you will find your IP address here. And it is same as we found by the previous 2 methods. So these are the methods that let you find your IP address of your laptop in Windows operating system. And if you have any comments or questions, please write down in the comments below. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.